In this video, I'll show you what to do in case your Nintendo Switch is not able to read the game card that you have inserted. So I'll show you a few different tricks. The first one and the easiest is to simply remove the game card you have inserted. Press the power button of your Nintendo Switch. Whoops, keep it pressed until you get, wait a second, keep it pressed until you get this menu. And then go in power options, select turn off, wait for the switch to turn off, then power back on, press the power button until you see the Nintendo logo. Once you did this, try reinserting the game card in your Nintendo Switch, and hopefully this fixed your issue. If you're still having trouble, what I suggest is that you take it out and you check inside of the console itself. Sometimes there's dust, hair, debris that enter even if the door is closed. Try to blow over here in the game card slot and try to remove any debris, anything that may have been stuck. Same thing on the game card. Inspect these connectors and make sure there is no debris, there is no dust that is getting stuck in them, and then put it back, and hopefully this fixed your issue. If you're still having problems, some people recommended that you plug a headphone in this headphone jack and then you insert the game card inside of the console. The concept behind this is that when you plug something over here, a headphone, it will activate the circuit board. The Nintendo Switch will send power to this circuit board, and it will help the game card being recognized. It's worth trying since it takes just a few seconds. So remove the game card, plug something in the headphone jack, and then put back the game card. Another thing, and that's the last thing I can recommend you to do, is remove the game card and let's take a better look inside of the Nintendo Switch. There's different pins inside that touches these over here on the game card. And if one is bended and is not making contact with the game card itself, you'll have a problem. So there's many videos on YouTube telling you how to open the Nintendo Switch and put back the pin in place so it's actually touching the game card and able to read it. But overall, this is it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a comment down below if one of these tricks worked for you. I'm really curious. If you have other tricks, also type them in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.